This is a 2002 Polar Kraft 1470 aluminum V-hull boat, and it has a 2002 Yamaha 8 horsepower 4-stroke 2-cylinder outboard. This is the one with the split seat in the back, which means it's got walk-through access to the middle seat. It's got a 3-gallon fuel tank. The outboard's a tiller, so it's got a throttle up here and a gear shifter up here and a kill switch, choke knob, and of course a pool starter. Back here we've got room for whatever you need to put back here other than the fuel tank. It says it's a four-person capacity, a total of 825 pounds max weight. And this motor weighs about 85 pounds, give or take a pound. So there's a lot more room for people and fishing gear in this one. But if you load on a heavier engine, you have less capacity left for other equipment. And then we've got middle seat up here. We've got 3 removable swivel fishing seats that fold down. There's a through drain down here. Water can run to the back if need be. It's got some extra seat supports. This boat is riveted, but does not leak. It's got a 2002 Yacht Club trailer well, it was made in October of 2002 according to that plate down there, so it might be an 03 model. It's got the 12-inch tires, and it has buddy bearings, bearing buddies, where you can pump the grease in with the grease fittings. Side steps, and it's a standard bunk trailer. The lights work. The outboard starts really smooth, usually on the second pull, sometimes the third pull, and it's really quiet. Even if you run it on a hose, when it's not in the water, it's even quiet. When you put it in the water, it's even more quiet. Here it is right here. The 02 means it's a 2002 model. Polar Kraft 1470.